Good day everyone. My name is Junior Nakwamosay from Bibeto, and welcome to my video on Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio in nature. Today, we're going to explore two fascinating examples. And let's go! So let's start with sunflower. Take a closer look at the arrangement of seeds in the sunflower. You'll notice that they follow a spiral pattern with each seed being approximately 137.5 degrees from the next. This is the golden angle, which is related to the golden ratio. If we count the number of seeds in the sunflower, we'll often find that they follow a Fibonacci number: 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. Now let's move on shells. Take a closer look at the spiral shape of a shell. You'll notice that it follows a logarithmic curve with each quarter turn being approximately 137.5 degrees. This is the golden angle, which is related to the golden ratio. If we measure the spiral shape of a shell, we'll often find that it follows the golden ratio, the ratio of the width of the spiral to the width of the next spiral, approximately 1.618, which is the golden ratio. In conclusion, the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio are evident in nature, from the arrangement of seeds in sunflower to the spiral shape of shell. These mathematical concepts are the testament to the beauty of harmony of nature.